In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we are unable to handle your request inside Rockstar Games. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different ways how we can try and fix this, and I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to check if Rockstar servers are down. So sometimes it's not you, it's them. So open up a web page, go to Google, Yahoo, Bing, whatever, and type in something along the lines Rockstar Games server status. And then we want to go ahead and check the server status here, or down detectors. If there are any outages, they're going to be listed here, and there's nothing you can do. You just need to wait it out. So it could take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Now, next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. So if you're logging in via a browser, we want to go ahead and click on the three dots on top right hand corner of the screen. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you can follow along if you are using a different browser. They're just going to be these settings is going to be a little bit different, that's all. So basically, we want to get the privacy and security and click on to delete browsing data. So this is going to delete our cookies, cache, and more. Now from here, make sure all time is selected, click on show more, and only select cookies and other site data, cached image and files, and click on delete data. Then restart your browser and try logging in again. Now, if we've got any VPNs or proxies running in the background, I recommend disabling them because Rockstar often blocks those suspicious regions. So turn off VPN apps like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and then restart your browser or launcher. Now, the next fix here is to have a look at your extensions. So click on extensions, click on manage extensions, and disable all your extensions. These could be causing problems. Now, if you can log in to Rockstar and if it works now, it's an extension related issue. So to find the culprit, basically turn these on one by one to see which one is giving you issues. Now the next fix is to just try a different browser or device. So try switching from Chrome to Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or vice versa, or even try logging in on your phone.